So, and it shows you skiing, like cross-country skiing, racing, walking, walk your dog, bikes. Yeah, that's the winter ledge. So, and look at the size of that tree. Just look at that. If trees could talk, that is a big old pine. Probably 350 years old. Oh, you don't want to get in the sludge, bud. Hey now. Hopefully that isn't dead water. I don't want to get you sick. Yeah. Yeah, you should come out of there, buddy. Here, there's better water. I don't want to wake up with puddles of poop on the floor. So here's a nice big rock. Might be boring for most, but nature lovers would see this and they would be like, wow, I'd like to go there, check that out. So that's why I do these videos. I like to show what New Brunswick has to offer. And Saturday, we are going to a concert with two legends. There's another nice trail. Two legends of Canadian rock music, both inducted into the Canadian Music Hall of Fame, Honeymoon Suite and Helix. Give me an R! And of course I will show a few videos of that. Unfortunately, Coopy can't go there. Mind you, he would, but no, he gets to stay home with my son. Yeah, another trail there. There's a lot of trails off here. And that'll be Saturday. And then another trail. And then next week we shall hit the road